Kajing ang note bak Sarkar Jilla kan penpena no ek Sohra District kadang sakut hasun wat lau menteri rang ba ka Jilla ukonrat ki sangma ulakular bak Sohra District kan urlong ringkat headquarter hasora. Abakran kajing alang bat ki noyalam ka Sohra District Demand Forum ha Circuit House ka Sohra Civil Subdivision ha ka janmit jong ka santarek ukulaling kot arja pulai ha ka balai don lang bat ki bor penyat ka hima Sohra ki noyalam Shillong Kyrwoh rang ba Menteri rang ba ulaong baka Sohra Civil Subdivision kala download ki jingdon kam henry hapan pet banyak bha na ki jinglong jingman ki jaka ulakubor bakala don kam ban phia ek East Khasi Hills District na ka benta ka jingsuk bat khamjan ka sanchar khadar shaupat ba henry ka jingdawa ya ka Sohra District andang pet banyak bha namar ka jinglong jingman ki jaka ki badai ban don shakanik district bala terwa Kuman Shukro baya ka Sohra District Demand Forum lalam kemadaw ba Alan West Karkongor ubah hakapor ba urung penyaso sa ka NPP ulaong bagipat ba ka Sohra kila ang note ya ka district shwa ka Christmas bat ka jingpen kre ya kun ya ka election na ka NPP ru kadai kamtam halor katay kamat ya kren hakani ka jingya lang lay don lang ru daw ba Preston Tensong usumbut menteri rang ba ka Jilla ubah Atiar scams imli bat ki pat ki balay thirba halor ka jing ang note ya ka Sohra District.
So the first point that I would like to make to all of you is that East Khasi Hills has to be divided into a new district. There is no doubt about it. Second point, which I would like to say, is that if you look at the overall administrative setups that have been there, Sohra is the civil subdivision that is out there and out here within the district of East Khasi Hills. And hence, Sohra has all the necessary infrastructures that are required for a district in the future to be able to promote it or bring it into a district format, and there is no doubt about that. So therefore, if you look at the entire aspect, this is what the logical way forward is. And let me also tell you and share with you that Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, myself and all of us have already been discussing this for a very, very long time. And hence, this is something that is definitely on the pipeline. When we discuss this entire issue of East Khasi Hills, of Sohra District, of creating of a new district out here, we worked very, very hard to ensure that all aspects are covered. We had challenges, and the challenges were very simple. The geographical permutations and the combinations that we need to create. So friends, the reason I am here today, because we had deep consultation with our Deputy Chief Minister, with our other leaders and other cabinet colleagues. We are here to tell you that the district will happen. There is no doubt about it. Sohra District will happen. It has to happen because it is the logical way forward for this entire region, and it is a logical way forward to ensure that East Khasi Hills is divided into a proper administrative setup and system and unit, and that is the only way forward for us. And we are in the process of, in fact, working on all the details on how we should move forward. So I would like to officially tell you and officially announce to you that we will be going ahead with these districts. We will be working forward, but it will take us time to make sure that we carry everybody along. I must tell you that government has to work, but it has to work with the speed and proper consultation that it should, an issue like this district deserves. One constituency or two constituencies and saying that, well, let's just combine one or two and just go ahead with it just because we need to go ahead would not be the right step forward. But yes, after consultation with everybody, once we find that this is the way forward and this is how things are going to be and people are happy with this and it makes complete sense, then we may go ahead with that also. And I would like to, as I said, officially tell you, I've never taken this stand before, but I'm officially telling you today that yes, that the next step forward will be to make Sohra into a district. But for that, you have to allow us to do the necessary work and steps to ensure that all the paperwork, all the delimitation that needs to be done to ensure that all the areas are considered, that all aspects will have to be worked on. And when the time comes, we will definitely ensure that this aspect and the creation of the district is also done. So friends, I want to assure you that we are working towards it. I want to assure you that it is going to happen, and I want to assure you that it will happen at the earliest. But as I said, we don't want to be irresponsible as a government and simply jump into something just because we have to sit down and make it happen, or just because there is certain kind of pressure that is there. We'll have to do it in the way that we can justify it to everybody. We'll do it in the way that is most logical and in a way that is going to ensure that we take everybody on board while we move forward. So friends, this is, of course, as I said, an important day. I know that all of you have very high expectations. I'm not here to in any way bring down those expectations. I want to tell you that for the first time, government has officially taken the step and announced that it will happen. So therefore it is something that is logical and it has to move in that direction, and I can assure you that it will move in that direction, but I have to be given time, our cabinet has to be given time to ensure that we are not going to take any mistake and not going to make any mistakes in this line and make this thing possible at the earliest.
Follow na nagiging handong taxi, haman ensure ba hadin yung election one la second term ng ketika lumba chief secretary ba pada kalau dulu kaya prosedur ban create yang Sohra District dari ban ulong bahkan kipai ba ang free dan taxi hindi dia kata dia ada don jing pen sisa dan ini jing pen kular na sarkar ba palat na kawangyaran hangni kandang dan official procedure hakawa in the timing and kam buat pada kalau umum hadir election tu semua bangan try kata di kibat pa jabatan Sohra di sasisi na ayubre da barokah di bidang ini tarasi kejing bil di jadi pa try ayo jing chai ada yang Pak Pustun Pak Meghalaya dan Chief Minister joni ba yang is hasil si insa di baik no Pak Sohra dan di distrik Kyrwoh baka headquarteri kumbang Pak Pustun dan di Wilayah Sohra di depan yang Sohra bahkan pentinglah bagi official procedure yang follow karena hadir election Sohra dengan dia ya distrik Kyrwoh terkini kan ay kemudian punya